And the winner is...
Dumb, I don't know what to do with it.
Here's your car.
I want to show you guys the new merch that's dropping. Nothing to see there.
That we've already got get here. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Throttle YouTube channel. Before we get started in today's video, we've got a very special announcement. Inside here, I have the winner for the 2020 Mustang giveaway, and we're gonna pick the winner right now. We're gonna give him a call and see
Oh wait, we don't
who's taking your car home.
I got all my entries in, so hopefully I got it.
And the winner is from El Paso, Texas, Louis Villanueva.
Villanueva.
Let's go! Congrats!
Right.
Luis bought a bunch of Mishimoto parts for his 350Z.
Nice.
And he looks like he made another order as well. So
VIP member?
It doesn't look like it.
Oh, man.
Doesn't look
you
like
saved
it.
so much money on those parts.
That is true. Hey,
paid for his
always
membership.
next time, but he got a Mustang, so that's pretty good.
Hey,
He
all
got,
right.
He got an awesome Mustang.
So going to Texas. We've never had a car.
Going to Texas.
right?
No, first
I
time.
don't think so.
All right,
Let's get him on the phone.
Let's give him a call.
They're 2 hours away.
Can we
So
FaceTime?
it's 3 p.m. over there right now.
Should I just FaceTime him direct?
Try
Just a
FaceTime.
random FaceTime?
If it doesn't, it's gonna
All
turn
right,
to
let
a
me.
phone call.
I'll screen record. Here we go. You guys got to be in this.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna come out and say it if he answers.
You gotta run it, Quinn. Come on, Luis.
Random number from 585.
Video calling.
I wouldn't answer either.
I wouldn't answer.
Yeah.
For FaceTime?
FaceTime from a random number.
Nope. Wait.
Hey, Luis.
Luis!
Luis, what's up?
What's up, dude?
You won the Mustang, brother.
Oh, wait.
Yeah!
You won the 2020 Mustang GT. Congratulations.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Where
Is that a baby?
You have a baby?
Yeah, that's my baby.
Hey, what's up, dude? And you're in El Paso, Texas, is that right?
Yeah, but right now I'm out of town.
Okay. In Utah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Well, we appreciate you placing your orders with us, and I don't know if you thought you were gonna win the Mustang, but it's true, you won.
It's yours.
I'm ordering some parts.
So you have a 350Z, is that right?
Yeah.
What's all done to that?
Now I just barely got it like 3 months ago or so. I was barely working on it. Got some coilovers on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can tell.
Yeah. Well, have you ever driven a Mustang?
Yeah.
You driven an S5? Oh, not the new one though.
Yeah.
This one,
Oh,
this
you're gonna-
one's pretty sick.
You're
yeah.
gonna love it, brother. You're gonna love it. It turned out epic.
Alright.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, you're being filmed right now too.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Well, man, the process is pretty simple. Essentially, after we get off the phone, I'll shoot you an email with some information, and we'll have you come out to San Diego and pick up your new car. It's
So
pretty,
cool,
pretty
man.
simple, dude.
Congratulations, brother.
Congrats, dude. We'll be
Nice
in touch
meeting you.
soon.
Alright, thank you.
Later,
All right,
man.
Bye,
later.
later, man.
See ya. Bye.
Right now he's pinching himself.
He was just in shock. Well, that's it. Luis is our winner from El Paso, Texas. Let's go.
Congratulations, brother.
I
Can't
know.
wait for him to come out.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Gonna be
It's
an
going to be
awesome
pretty
one.
awesome.
We
And
should go and deliver. I want to go to Texas. Never
probably
been.
hot.
Sure, keys are hanging up.
I'm down.
That thing's ready to go. You better get on the roof.
All right, well, that's it. I guess we'll see Luis in a couple weeks. We appreciate you guys for tuning in.
Let's get back to work on the Supra.
Did we mention that we're giving away the Supra next?
What?
The Mark V right here.
It doesn't look that great right now, but
Give us a minute.
Yeah,
it's
just
gonna be good.
Wait till you see what we do to this
show
one.
the other side.
Got the one corner that's smashed.
Enjoy today's video.
What about parts and service?
Hold on.
Dumb, I don't know what to do with it.
Here's your car.
case you don't know, this is Calvin Kabilling's Supra, or was, I should say. We bought it off him, and we're just taking delivery from SOS Customs because we're gonna be doing all of the suspension work. And we're gonna get the car back to Oscar and his team for some mods and a new color change. Oh, here we go. We got a new hub, wheel bearing, and hopefully everything. New control arm.
Here's the hub.
Damn. Oh, that's the hub.
Yeah, it's the hub.
Okay.
So that should be pretty much everything you guys need to straighten it out. And obviously you guys got the shock.
The new bag.
Exactly.
Arms. So pretty much everything on the driver rear side. Replacement is here. Before we get started with the Toyota Supra, I want to show you guys the new merch that's dropping very soon. We have this white long sleeve shirt, and one of the best things about this thing is the long sleeve. It has throtl performance logo in it, which is one of my favorite. I only wear white when I'm not at work, obviously, because I get super dirty. The black one, which is the one that I have right now on, it looks pretty cool. I wore these yesterday, and it's one of my favorite ones because it's super soft, and the gray goes very well with my skin. Of course, the hoodie, which is what I wear every weekend. Throtl performance again, Japanese leather, which is one of the, this honestly my favorite drop that we've gotten so far. Hat with the same logo, and check this out, this is new for us. We have the JDM key tags now. This is the R35 with the headlights and taillight, the same thing with the Supra, front and back, which is something I've never seen before, and it's super cool.
All right, well, we got the Mark V Supra up on the lift, and we can now get a look underneath it and have a gander at what damage has been done when Calvin crashed his car. So those of you that have a keen eye picked up that this is Calvin's old car that he crashed. He hydroplaned on the freeway and kissed the center median with just the left rear of the car. Now, the damage I know may look a little extreme from the camera, but looking at it closely, it's actually not that bad. And that's the reason why we purchased this car from Calvin, because one, he wanted out from underneath it. He wants to start a new project, and he had pretty much done everything he wanted to this car. That left Throtl in a really good position to pick up this car at a fraction of the cost of what it would cost to go buy a new or slightly used Supra. We know the history on this car. It was built here in the shop. That makes us sleep easy at night knowing we know the history and we know what's been done to it. This car was perfect for us. We just have to fix it, which is what we do. And I want to be very clear. This car is not salvage title. This is not enough damage to salvage the car. This is a $60,000 car, and this is maybe $15,000 worth of damage. So not any insurance company on the planet is gonna total a car that's worth this value for that minimal amount of damage. It is all superficial. Everything that is damaged can be easily replaced and ordered through Toyota, and we're gonna be doing that. One of the great things about picking up Calvin's old car is that we were planning to do a wide body kit on this car anyway. It saves us the hassle of cutting up a clean car. We're going to be replacing all of this metal panel here, all of this metal panel here, this metal panel here, and then we're going to be cutting it away to apply the Street Hunter's wide body kit. So as I stated earlier, the nice part about this car is that Calvin tastefully modded it already. It has a nice MagnaFlow exhaust system on the X mod, which is something that we would have been adding anyway, so it's already here. We just have to replace a tip. It did have a set of HRE wheels. We will be replacing those because we're going to go wide body. So we're going to have something more aggressive anyway. He also already had this car bagged, the universal air suspension. That's something we were going to do anyway. It's already done. Now we just have to go through and repair whatever may have been damaged in the crash, which is very minimal from what we can see. Again, like I mentioned earlier, this car is perfect for us. We're excited about it. We want to get started on it as soon as possible, and we're excited for the sweepstakes so that one of you guys can be driving this thing every day. Again, to be very clear with all of you, this is not a salvage title car. This car has a clean title. It is not a rebuild title. It is not anything fishy. It is a clean title car that has a minor accident on its record. We're gonna fix all that. It's gonna be better than new when we're done. I can promise you that.
All right, so Supra, baby. It is the next day. We finally got the Supra in the lift, and the main thing that we are doing now, we are gonna go through the whole car to see what main damages we have there that you can see obviously, and then do a run on the entire car all the way around and write down what's wrong with it. Nothing to see there. Don't worry about that. Yeah. So some of the things that we noticed right away is gonna be this exhaust tip. It's obviously seen better days. The the Acura
arm is broke, but that's okay. These are made out of plastic on purpose, so that the arms fail and not the sensor itself.
Correct.
So should I replace the arm?
And then, as you can see here, this is not supposed to look like that.
The other one's straight. Yep.
It's like perfectly straight.
One straight,
Wow, it's actually
one's not.
way worse than I actually thought it was.
Yeah, this one's also bent. Pretty much,
Which explains why this doesn't line up.
right.
Because it pushed it out.
pretty much every arm in this place, in this side of the car, it needs to be replaced. Our boys from SOS Custom already got us some of the parts. We're still missing 1 or 2 arms to replace, to arrive so we can replace. But as of right now, we got the spindle, some of the upper and lower arms. This is what holds the spring together. We have the level sensor here to replace from Acri-Air, and then we have the spindle and the bearing here.
That's so nice that the hub assembly just bolts in.
I know, dude. Easy replacement.
Old days, you have to push them out, press them back in. Now
I
you
mean,
buy the whole new.
they knew that the Calvins of the world were gonna be doing this, so they know that we're gonna be replacing them. I'm kidding, Calvin.
Be nice.
I'm kidding. That's my boy. That's my boo. So instead of us having somebody else do it, we wanted to be the ones to make this car go straight again. And once we accomplish that, then it'll go back to the body shop so they can fix everything else.
That's straight.
All right, guys, so Queen took the parts off. I put the new parts back in. It looks straight. Now it's time for us to take it down, start it up, let it warm up, and then take it for a rip.
So far so good. Car feels fine. Ricky killed it. The wheel looks straight. We're gonna go drive it for the first time, just around the block a little bit, just so that SOS Customs can move it back and forth. And we haven't gotten alignment or anything, but so far so good. Let's see. Let's go, baby. It works. Driver assistance. We had a lot of errors on, but car pulling to the right a tiny bit. Alignment's definitely off, but drives pretty normal to me. drives like a normal car. She's back. This thing is sick.
I've never been in one of these.
No? Dude, they are so good.
Suspension feels good too. Like really good.
Dude, honestly, we're being in the accident, like honestly, it drives totally normal. I don't feel anything different, you know, knowing that the suspension was replaced and there was in the accident.
So let the steering wheel go. It's not terrible.
It's not terrible. Like it needs an alignment. So good. The interior on this car is so nice. Super low miles. I love the carbon fiber everywhere. The AccuAir is fully functioning now. The AC is blowing super cold. Obviously, we're missing half the sensors in the back. The trunk's all jacked up. The rear panels are all jacked up, but that's not that big of a deal. I think we're gonna close the video here, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys are excited about the merch drop. It is my favorite drop we've ever released, and it is going to be for sale next Friday, and every $1 you spend is one entry to win this GR Supra. Just a little thing to note is that we've already got the Street Hunter wide body kit here, and that's gonna be going on very, very soon. So I hope you guys are stoked on this one. I am extremely excited. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Here's your car.
Nick, I said a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car, dude.
I think it'll do.
This is your car.
My car? I said a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
You